Creality Resin 3D Printer Halot One Plus is a high-quality resin 3D printer that offers a number of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Creality Halot One Plus resin printer is equipped with a 7.9-inch monochrome LCD screen with 4K HD 4320 by 2560 resolution, only needs 1-4/layer contact curing resin, which can significantly improve the printing efficiency while maximizing model detail and save you time. Creality Resin 3D printer has a large printing size of 172*102*160 mm/6.77 x 4.01 x 6.30 inch, which leaves sufficient printing space for you to make any shapes of 3D models, support larger model or more smaller models at the same time. Halot One Plus Resin 3D printer self-developed integrated light source adopts reflection and refraction 4500 UW/cm superscript 2 light intensity, so that the light intensity distribution of the entire screen is uniform, and the uniformity of the light source energy can reach more than 90%. The Z-axis of Halot One Plus resin printer features dual rigid linear rails and is driven up and down by a powerful motor, together with T-shaped screw rod assures accurate and steady movement. It reduces wobbling vastly and deals well with larger and heavier prints. Wider software choices, compatible with Halot Biox, Lychee and Chitabox, slicing with high efficiency. 5-inch HD full-view multi-touch screen with brand new all interface, clear model preview via Creality Cloud app. One-click slicing and printing. 4K LCD screen. The Halot One Plus has a 4K LCD screen that provides sharp, detailed images. This results in prints with excellent surface finish and accuracy. Automatic resin leveling. The Halot One Plus uses automatic resin leveling to ensure that the print bed is perfectly leveled before each print. This helps to prevent print failures. HEPA filter. The Halot One Plus has a HEPA filter that helps to trap fumes and particles, making it a safer option for indoor use. Wi-Fi connectivity. The Halot One Plus can be connected to a Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control and monitor prints from your smartphone or tablet. The Halot One Plus performs well in all areas. It is capable of printing high-quality objects with excellent surface finish and accuracy. The automatic resin leveling feature is a great time saver and helps to prevent print failures. The HEPA filter is a welcome addition that makes the printer safer to use indoors. The Wi-Fi connectivity is a nice touch that allows you to control and monitor prints from anywhere. Pros: 4K LCD screen, automatic resin leveling, HEPA filter, Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: can be noisy, may require some assembly. Resin can be messy. The Creality Resin 3D printer Halot One Plus is a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality resin 3D printer. It offers a number of features that make it a good choice for both beginners and experienced users. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.